trying to get Nordy here. Whew, good morning from Lunavan Man, Nicholas. Much love. It is 4:40. So I promised some trout fishing, mouse fishing, and that is what I am doing. I got up early. I'm just in Lunavan, but I'm at Trout Run Creek. So I'm getting my gear all together here, and I'm gonna get out. I got my fly rod in the back with a deer hair handmade mouse on it, so that should be fun. Hopefully we'll get something on that. Otherwise I'll bring my spinning rod. You can only use artificial here at this creek, so I haven't been down here in a month or two, so and this will be my first time actually fly fishing back here and my first time mouse fishing for the season. So, but you gotta get out before dawn. So I'm kind of trying to rush here a little bit. I'll walk a little ways to get to the hole that I'm gonna try to fish. It's a little bit deeper. There's actually some people camping here. And there's a cool van lifer. They look like they got a, if they're still here when I come back, I'll see if I can't get a little picture with them. Cause yeah, it looks like a Chevy G20, maybe this is an 87, and I think theirs might be an early 90s model. So they're just right next to me here, so van life, much love, yeah, whoa. Yeah. So I'm gonna add this on to my trout fishing, the restoration area by Crystal Springs Fish Hatchery. I did catch that one fish, but that was it. And I said if I didn't catch a rainbow, I was going mouse fishing. So that is what is happening. All right, I gotta change. It's gonna be a good morning. I hope you all are having a great morning too, having fun adventures. And thanks for coming along on mine with me. Hopefully we'll get something. All right. Yes. Awesome helmet we found on the road the other day. Going to Half Moon Bay. Yeah. New board riding helmet, so that is sick. And I can't really see much. There's the cliffside. Got my low light on, but still, it's like 5:30 in the morning. Wow, okay. I gotta get some line out. I barely made it a third of the way across. After you get so much line out, it gets very difficult to cast a mouse. Yeah. Get out there, baby. Oh yeah, there we go. Had fish surfacing right in front of me. Yeah, almost all the way to the other side. Something surfaced down there. Nice slow pulls. Sorry about the shaky head cam, but fly fishing. Gotta move a lot. And they're jumping. All right. I have put on the brown trout Panther Martin on my Daiwa. That's my split decision reel on it. Hoping first cast, because the trout are active today. They've been jumping since I got here. They just didn't want the mouse. And we're not looking to eat the mouse. This was it tired my arm out a lot trying to cast all the way across this deep hole. Switched it up. Went from the Panther Martin to the Golden Shiner. It's a little big, it's about 2 inches, 2.5 inches. But it's a suspender. I can cast it far. And it might look a little big for brown trout, but believe me, it is not. And we can see now. So good morning. I gotta catch a brownie or I don't get my coffee. Alright. I know the goal is the mouse, but I have better luck night fishing with the mouse than early morning fishing. Yeah, almost to the other side of this one. Yeah, they won't have a problem taking that. What a beautiful morning, I tell ya. Oh, there's one. Oh, dang. First cast, just smoked it right in front of me. Saw him flash. It was about a 11, 12 incher. Ooh. Ah, told ya. Yeah, the wrap. There we go. There's one. Oh no. Another nice brownie. Oh, another nice one. That one was a fat female. Okay. Well, that is two on that. That was in the shallow feeding ground. All right. I'm gonna grab my head cam here. Try to get it down deep and just slow twitch it. Oh, just struck at it. Oh, that was like a 14, 15 incher. Came up and over it. On the slow twitch. Oh man, that's 3 nice big ones. Come here, baby. Hey, here she is. Whew. The trophy Martin 90X graphite. Boom. Oh, that was a nice one. With the mouse. Deer hair, field mouse, leather tail. Shark skin, 6 weight, I believe. Alright. I don't want to hook my camera. And you really gotta push it to get it over there. That was a nice one right there. That just came up to eat something. I've had brown trout blow up 2 feet out of the water for a mouse. Come on. So if they want it though, get some of the water out of it. Still, I go farther than that. I get out there. That is my max range, right to the middle. So I'm gonna move up to this next little opening here. Come on. Rascals. So, they're liking this. Just doesn't down very deep, but they are coming up. So, see the size comparison to this to all my other trout lures? Like, yeah. But I'm thinking this one here, just because it's a rainbow trout. There's not many rainbows in here, but it's got good action. And it goes down. For sure. Nothing over downstream. So, rip this one through over here a few more times. And go from there. Whew. Yeah. That dying minnow just twitching around down there. This one's a little bit smaller. So, got a good feeling about this guy. Oh, there's one zipping. Oh, no. No. Wow. That was another 13, 14 incher. Man. Okay, my drag needs to be tight or something. Not getting a good hook set. Okay. That is 4 nice browns. Oh. Came out of that deep pocket up into the rocks to get it. This little stop and go action. Oh, I had a hit right there. Dang. What is with the finesse little bites? They're cranking it, but they're letting it go. A little stop and go. That one was a little smaller, about 10 incher. Now this isn't like a stocked stretcher creek. This is wild browns. I mean, they used to stock it, but they stopped. So I'm not fishing like a, yeah. These are all very smart at what they bite and eat. Rascal. Let's go quick. Sometimes I get them just when I'm ripping it. I'll just come up and clank onto behind it. Alright, well. Here's maybe, wow. Just fell. Try over that way a little further. See him keep jumping over there. They're jumping all over. Ah, it smells just, Up there is one of my favorite smells. There's one. Stay pinned, baby. Come on, stay pinned. Stay pinned. Up out of the weeds, come on. Up out of the weeds. I think it's a female. Stay pinned. Ah, I gotta lift you up. Oh, you gotta come up. I'm sorry. Yeah. Nice. All right, hemostats. Beautiful brown on the rainbow. Now they like to get floppy and move around a lot, so it's just nice having this grass. Nice soft grass, There comes the hook right there. Awesome. Easy, nice and easy. I don't want to stretch out, so I'm just gonna be very gentle with you. Try to get your mouth open here. Oh, okay, well, let's just get you back in the water, huh? What do you say? Come on, baby. Easy, easy, easy. Not my biggest, covered in grass from the grass over here, but beautiful brown female. I had the smaller one. This is a 12-incher, so I gotta kind of flip them. I don't like to keep them out of the water too long, so. But they do jump all the time, and once they hit the water, they orient, zip out. Yes, brownie baby. Yes, 12 or 13-incher on the rainbow. That was awesome. Yeah, there's nice fluffy grass up here, so, and the grass is wet, so I mean my hands are wet, no worries, but that's what did it. It's a little rainbow ripping it along. That is awesome. Took me 18 minutes of recording time to get that fish. So let's try for another one. I'll run this through here a few more times. Oh, there we go. Come on, stay pinned. Oh no, man, what is going on? I got sharp hooks. I mean, dang, right up in the current. Mosquito buzzing me in the ear. The trout are smart too. You see that one just come up? So once they see the same lure go by them too many times, it's like nope. This fog is helping though. Oh, big swipe at it. Oh, I might have seen that one on camera. Ooh, didn't even hit it, just swiped at it. Oh, okay. Oh, man, that was a good size one right there. All right, found my tackle box, going with the diamond shad one here. The fog's starting to lift and the water's really clear. So it's been helping me that the fog's been here, because trout can see. Okay, here we go. Come on. I feel this one catching a fish. Good depth, got a little rattle, and I have caught trout on this before, so. Yeah, that looks good. Looks good. There's one, there's one. See it flapping out there? There we go. Oh, jumping, dang, it came off. Ah, I love it, I love it. Keeps getting the end of my line. All right, come on, baby. Let's get one on jumping. Oh, there's one. Oh, just came up in size. Oh, wow. Another one, I didn't even feel it. I can see him railing it down there. Wow. Good action though, so nice. I mean, I was cranking and cranking it. Oh, there we go. There we go, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Zipping. Zipping. There we go. Ooh. There we go. A little nice female. Not as big as the last one. Come on, stay up, stay up. Such fighters. Whew. Okay. I don't want it to get too wore out, so I'm gonna get you up here If I can get that hook out of you. Up you come. Oh, and there goes the hook. Beautiful. Look at that. What a beautiful brownie. Same as the other one. Pretty beautiful. Female. Nice. Let's get you back in the water, girl. Wow. Yeah, beautiful colors. Mwah. Thank you. You are good. It's a nice deep spot for you right here. My battery died over here. Hopefully this one's still going. Yes, fish on. Oh, just railed it. All right, I gotta switch out batteries. Both batteries gotta be switched, so I'm gonna do that now. That's two. That's two, baby. Two trout so far. And I'm thankful for that. Seeing some big ones, missed some nice ones. It's cool to see the footage of the ones swiping at it. Okay, get another one jumping up out of the water here. Alright, come on, fish. Come on, people, will it? Will the fish? Oh, I just had a strike right there. Thank you. Oh, you did such a great job. You know how perfect this is? Yeah, July 22nd and 23rd. It was just a couple days ago. Today's the 24th. I crashed my car and broke my neck. I was paralyzed. Yeah. Oh, there we go. There we go. Talking about an accident and I get a fish. Ooh, Rippin. Rippin, you're a fighter. Stay out of the log. Stay out of the log. Oh, wow, nice. Yeah, paralyzed, wheelchair, 15 years in, baby. And look, I'm catching brown, standing on the bank. All right, gotta lift it. Gotta lift it. Come on. Oh, that is a heavy one. Oh, beautiful. Wow, look at that. Fatty. With the rebel in his mouth. All right, this one's gonna be interesting because it's got the whole treble in its mouth, so I gotta pry its mouth open without stressing it too much. You clamped right down on that, didn't you? You're smaller than, this is an 11 incher, so I could keep it if I need to, but I'm gonna try not to. Come on. Come on, there you go. Nice. Perfect. Beautiful. The fattest one of the day. Look at her. Wow. Not very many spots on her, but just a gorgeous brown trout. That's three. One of my favorite fish. I mean, they're just beautiful. All right, sweetheart. Didn't stress her out too much. They've all swam. Oh, yeah, she's good to go. Mwah. There you go. In you go. Ready? Wait. Into the depths. And as long as she's not sitting in the dirt right there, dirt's not kicked up. I got bubble trail. Perfect. That's three this morning. Yes. Beautiful. Perfect release. Breathe in the fresh air. That was awesome. So, lure change. What do we want to see here, people? I just took this one off, and I am not too sure. I'm thinking the big one all of a sudden. No. Oh, man. What do you guys think? What do you think here? You know, the white little scatter? I didn't say it. I've caught trout on these, but I was just using the silver, and they weren't biting it. They did hit this. They did hit this. I'm gonna run this again. and see about that. And then if not, yeah, I'll just keep switching it up till we get one of these big ones. I've had so many swipe at it that didn't actually get hooked. So, I mean, you know, Rapala BX jointed shad 6, rainbow pattern. Pretty nice. Right on that fish there. It's just jumped. One's been jumping most of the morning. I like this lure. It's heavy. I can cast it. All right, come on. Natural. There we go. First cast. Look at him rile up down there. You see that? He wound himself all in my line. Unlined. Wow, first cast. Good choice, people. Good choice indeed. Up he comes. Ah. Wow. Ah, look at that one. Look at that one. Hopefully it'll just sit still for you for a second. Easy there, girl. That's my smallest one yet, but get the hemos on ya. Come on. Oh, let's lay up his hill. This one is feisty. Feisty. Catch it in both the jaws. Oh, easy. I don't want to get hooked either. I'm not looking to pull one out of my hand either. Okay, one's unhooked, other one is unhooked. First cast with the rainbow, so that's 2 on the rainbow trout lure. And yeah, 1 on the Rebel. Beautiful, yeah? Oh, they just, I mean, you got teeth, so give me a little kiss. Oh yeah, you're ready to go. Here you go. Yep, good. I'm gonna try that one. The little twisty tail plastic. Ooh, follow right there. Saw his tail. Oh, turned on it. Wow, that was a good size one. These big ones don't like to come up to the top if they don't have to. Okay, I just scared some. I might actually let this thing sink all the way to the bottom and bounce it around very slowly. Let it sink. If it gets snagged, it gets snagged. The thing is just twitching like crazy down there. I think someone would just sideswipe it, or man. Oh, something did right there. Something just hit it. Just sideswiped it. Ha. Dang. It's on my line. Go to the right. Whoop. Called that one out. Oh. First bite on it though, that's cool. So, up there in the shade, they keep moving up to the shade. Well, interesting. I really wonder if they'll pick it up off the bottom. Look, I just had a bite right there. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, wow. I just had like 6 trout all around this thing. No kidding. Wow. The one was huge. They were all just frenzying around it. I thought I had a nibble. One came up, two came up. Oh man, bouncing the bottom right there. Oh, it freaked me out, dude.